Google Sheets just got an upgrade that might actually blow your mind. You can now use an equals AI formula, powered by Gemini AI, right inside your spreadsheet. This means your spreadsheet just turned into your personal data assistant. Categorize, summarize, analyze, write emails, even build charts, all by typing plain English. No code, no formulas, just your intent. Let me show you how powerful this is, with real examples you can try today. Let's dive into it. You can now prompt Gemini directly using the equals AI formula and reference any cell or range. It interprets the content and gives you contextual answers. Here are some of the most useful things it can do. Categorization. You want to categorize data on the fly. Try this, equals AI. Is this a basketball or baseball team? A2. Gemini will look at the cell and tell you the category. All based on your prompt. Want to get more nuanced? Equals AI. Categorize as positive, neutral, negative, and assign high, medium, low priority. B2. Boom. Instant double tagging of sentiment and urgency. No more struggling with writing custom sentiment scripts. You can now just do equals AI. Classify this sentence as either positive or negative. A2. Works great for reviews, feedback, tweets, you name it. Long text. Just summarize it with equals AI. Summarize this info in one very short sentence. A2. Or go even broader. Equals AI. Summarize key themes and patterns from all customer feedback. B2, B6. Yes, it works on ranges too. Want to write an email? Try this, equals AI. Write a brief response email addressing this feedback with a relevant offer. B2, E2. Gemini reads your data and generates an email tailored to it. No switching tabs, no copy-pasting. But this isn't just about text. With Gemini in Google Sheets, you can generate formulas, create tables, build charts and graphs, perform data analysis, summarize Gmail threads and Google Drive files, automatically apply conditional formatting, create pivot tables, drop-downs, filters, all through natural language. Want to get started? Just open any Google Sheet and click on Ask Gemini in the top right. Use the side panel to write your prompt, or type equals AI directly in a cell. It even supports generated images, insert suggestions, and retrying with Google Search if Gemini doesn't get it right the first time. Heads up, you'll lose your Gemini conversation history if you reload or go offline. So always insert outputs into the spreadsheet when you're done. And currently, Gemini in Sheets can only reference one range at a time. So make sure your cursor is in the right cell. Honestly, Google Sheets just became one of the smartest work tools on the planet. With Gemini and the equals AI formula, your spreadsheet becomes a place for insights, writing, planning, reporting, and analysis, all powered by natural language. If this blew your mind like it did mine, go try it out now. And if you found this useful, like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more AI-powered tools and tutorials every week. Because the future of productivity is AI-powered.